friends, what we are is because of the belief we have about ourselves. Many people see us through their perceptions and also what belief we have projected about ourselves. Beliefs such as, I am not good enough, I am careless, I am always late, I am too sensitive, and such beliefs becomes a part of our identity. Such belief intensifies the behavior in us. So today, let's replace this limiting belief. I'm Laila Ahmed, intuitive trainer, author and a therapist. Today, sit back, relax, visualize how you define, think and speak about yourself with strong, positive belief. I am a pure being. My every belief about myself is pure and positive. My every thought, words about myself is of the highest frequency. How are beliefs formed? We are born with a mind which is 14 inches in diameter all around us. Till the time we are 7 years old, we do not have a filter. So whatever we hear, whatever we see, whatever we listen becomes our belief, becomes our reality. So in the past, I have attracted many beliefs from my family and friends. And unconsciously, I have also planted some negative beliefs in my subconscious mind. Today, I take this moment to replace those limiting beliefs programmed before the age of 7 into positive ones. Today, I choose to believe in what I really want to be. So today I will show you how to replace the negative beliefs, the negative limiting beliefs into positive ones. We are taking a different approach. We are going to replace it with gratitude questions. Now what are gratitude questions? Whenever you are repeating gratitude question, your mind is collecting evidences from your life about the things you have asked. Recently, one of my participants from gratitude question course was worried because her uncle was tested COVID positive and he was in hospital. She didn't know what to do, so she asked me for my advice. I asked her to repeat the gratitude question. Why I am always so healthy and peaceful? Though this question has no relationship with what her uncle is going through. But still, when you are projecting a gratitude question into your mind that why I am always feeling healthy and peaceful, your mind is collecting evidence that yes, we are born healthy and we can reach to health, we can reach to good health in no time. Later, she shared that she felt so confident repeating the gratitude question over and over again. She felt the confidence that everything is going to go fine. And within a few days, the uncle was better, the reports was normal and he was back home. So today, let's explore some gratitude question. Why I am always so calm and peaceful? So when you are repeating this question, why I am always so calm and peaceful, your mind will start collecting evidences in the past wherever you have felt calmness and peacefulness. And based on your experience, you will realize that yes, you have the power to remain calm and peaceful no matter what is happening in the environment. Why I am always experiencing compassion around. Now this gratitude question will enable you to attract compassionate people in your orbit who are willing to help and support you. Why I am always so punctual and able to complete all my work before time. So though at times you might feel you are lazy, but when you are repeating this gratitude question, that why I am always so punctual and able to complete my work before time, suddenly the energy will drive you forward to complete your project much before the time. Why I am always respected and praised for my sincerity. So the moment you are projecting this thought out, you will realize that other people will find you more sincere, working with integrity, and you are also believing about yourself that you are sincere and you are praised for your sincerity. Why I am always perfect in everything I do. We are human and we tend to make mistakes. But when you are projecting this thought to your belief system, you are projecting this thought to the universe that why I am always perfect in everything I do, your mind will drive you towards doing things perfectly. Maybe not 100%, but you will come closer to the perfection. Why I am always successful and operate with the highest energy. At times throughout the day, our energy shifts from high to low. So when you are repeating, especially when you are on a lower frequency and you say that why I am always successful and operate with the highest energy, suddenly you will feel that the energy is rushing upward. You are feeling better, your frequency is going better, and because of the high energy, you will tend to become successful. Similarly, you can create gratitude questions based on your requirement. So repeating this or other gratitude questions attracts only positivity, and that changes the vibration around you. And not only that, it radiates the vibration to your mind, body and the universe. These gratitude questions starts becoming your reality. Now, how to create gratitude question? Good news is I am coming up with a book, 101 Gratitude Question, which is going to be published on 31st August on Amazon Kindle. The first 11% to review would get a chance to attend my gratitude question course worth rupees 2,222 absolutely free. Do share with your friends and let's together make a difference. Till we meet next, light and fragrance to all of you.